viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So in last video I gave information how to import your wallet with your private key. So if you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel. I'll follow these steps, and you can also import your Bitcoin wallet and your Dogecoin Core wallet. Same scenario. So in this video I'm giving information how to unlock your Ravencoin Core wallet, because in last video we are going to import our wallet, so our wallet is locked. But in this video I'm giving information how to unlock. First you unlock your wallet, after that you can import your any wallet with your private key. So please watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWalletsInfo, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is CryptoWalletsInfo.com. So now I'm going to open first of all my wallet of with private key Ravencoin. You can see here I already create a one wallet for you because this video is only for demonstration purpose. If you need to import your Bitcoin wallet or your Dogecoin wallet with private key, you can use same scenario. But today we are going to import our Ravencoin Core wallet with private key. So how can I do this? Is so simple and easy. First you need to have your private key. You can see here this is my private key. I have already told you in my last video how can you create a wallet and how to get the private key. So I'm just going to copy this private key and now going to open my Ravencoin Core wallet. You can see here Ravencoin Core wallet is open in front of me. This time price is 435 BTC and my balance is 0, and still my wallet synchronizing is not completing. You can see here 11 hours behind this time, and not tick mark shown here means some blocks is remaining. When my all blockchain data is updated, then my balance will be shown in this place. Okay, so now I'm going to unlock my wallet. You can see here there is lock shown. Wallet is encrypted and currently locked. If you need to import any wallet with private key, so you must need to unlock your wallet. After that you can import. So today we are going to first of all unlock my wallet. After that I will import Ravencoin with private key. I have not balance in my Ravencoin wallet, but this video is only for demonstration purpose. Okay, just follow or use same scenario with Bitcoin Core wallet or Dogecoin Core wallet. Just going to click on help. You can see here there is shown the debug window, and the second option is that console. In last video I told you how to import private key. So first I going to write here the dump command, dump private key. Just simple paste here your wallet private key. You can see here I have enter. Now you can see here error, please enter the wallet phrases with the wallet phrases first I need to unlock my wallet, then I can import my Ravencoin Core wallet with my private key. So I'm going to unlock my wallet, which is the command I'm going to use here. You must properly understand. The command is that if you want to unlock your wallet in console area, the command is that wallet phrases. You can see here the wallet phrases. If you need to properly understand, so I'm going to open notepad file and paste here and show the big size of command, which is I'm going to use on my console bar. Font size. You can use same scenario with Bitcoin Core wallet and also Dogecoin Core wallet and also any other core wallet. Okay, you can use same scenario if you need to import or unlock your wallet. So same commands. Let's suppose I need to first of all unlock my wallet, and after that I can import my any wallet with private key. So you can see here the command is that
wallet phrases. I hope you properly seeing wallet phrases. This is the command. So now I'm going to again open the console for the unlock my wallet. You can see here wallet phrases, and now going to enter the my password which is I have applied in my Ravencoin core wallet. I will enter, and now write the 60. Just write 60 and enter. Now wallet phrases is going to unlock. So maybe you can see here the null show means my wallet is unlocked, and also you can see here in this your right corner the wallet is unlocked. The show the symbol here, and now I can import any wallet. So I'm going to write here the key dump private key, sorry, dump private key, then control, sorry, I have not copied the private key, so I'm going to again open the browser where from I copy. You can see this is my private key of my Ravencoin. This video is only for demonstration purpose, so please don't use this information for personal use. So you can see here I have opened the debug window again, and now going to paste here private key. This is the command for import your private key, and this is the command for unlock your wallet. If you want to unlock your wallet, you first need to write the wallet phrases command, and after that press spacebar, then you enter your password which is you have applied, and after that you again press spacebar, then 60. I going to write here if you need to wallet phrases, then let's suppose your password is 123456, then 60 and press enter. Then your wallet will be unlocked, and now you can import any core wallet with private key. Yes, you can see here I write here dump private key space, and now enter the private key and going to enter. So you can see here the dump private key. After some time your wallet will be import on this area, and after complete the synchronizing your balance will be shown in your main menu where you can balance. You can see after fully import your wallet with private key your balance will be shown here, and you can easily transaction from Ravencoin core wallet. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you unlock your wallet. After that, how can you import your wallet with private key, and I hope you properly understand the command which is you using the command for unlock the wallet, and which is you using the command for import the private key of any wallet. Okay, I hope you properly understand, and you can also use same scenario with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and any other core wallet, sorry. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowallsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. And if you go to click on Altcoin, you can see here I already make the many videos about XODS, DigiByte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namcoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Guarda Wallet, Coinomi Wallet, Green Address Wallet, Blockchain Wallet. You just simple go to the Google and type the cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you, and just simple click on all coins. And let's suppose I want to get the information about blockchain. I just simple click on blockchain tab. Then new page open in front of me. I'm just going to cross this ad, and you can see here the new page open in front of me. How to import blockchain wallet, swap your blockchain wallet into other wallet, how to link blockchain wallet to crypto exchange, how to withdraw amount from blockchain exchange, how to place trade on blockchain crypto, how to deposit blockchain crypto exchange, how to create account on blockchain crypto exchange. Means I already make the many videos how to confirm blockchain transaction. You just simple go to this website and get the information. So viewers, I hope you properly understand. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.